everyone. Okay, I have something a little bit different for you. If you were in my live stream before, you might have seen just a sneak peek of the front, but some of you may have heard about it last year, but the new Arteza Holiday Advent Calendar for 2021 is out. It also usually doesn't stay in the shop for very long because it's super popular. There are a number, there's tons of different advent calendars, but in my searching, I have not found too many art advent calendars. However, if you know of any of them, please feel free to put them in the link below and we can check them out. But for this one, I was disappointed because I missed out on it last year, but now I got to jump on it. We've got it here. I'm going to give you, obviously we're not going to open up all the slots yet. There will be more videos to come for that. But what I will do is I'm going to flip it over in the back. You can see it has a list actually of what's in it. You don't know what you're getting on the days, but it does list everything that is in it. Okay, so this is the front here. It's pretty big size. This is the premium one. There is a smaller one that has only 12 days that if the 24 isn't quite in your budget, that could be an alternative option. Something fun for the last 12 days until Christmas. So this one has 24, and then in the bottom it says, 24 holiday inspired pieces, 2 bonus items, 1 gel pen plus 1 metallic watercolor half pan. Okay, let's flip it over on the other side here. So there's classic and premium. It says Pro Series, but I looked on the website and I didn't see any Pro Series on there. So maybe that's something they're going to eventually have. But for now, there is, like I said, the 12 and the 24. So here is what you all are probably waiting for are the contents in the back. Okay, so what you're gonna find, it doesn't say which days you're gonna find them on, but this is nice, especially if you wanna plan out maybe the craft or activity that you wanna do on, set up like, okay, well, with this one I wanna do this, with this one I wanna do that, and you can test them out. So there are, and it has the number of them, so ×3 dual tip art markers, medium chisel, nib, and fine nib. So I'm pretty sure these are gonna be the Everblend markers because they're art markers and it's basically how they describe it. And then ×3 acrylic metallic tubes. I have not tried their acrylic metallic paints yet, so I'm excited about that. I mean, a lot of you know that I have used a lot of the Arteza products, but there are some things on here even I haven't used yet. Glitter plus gel pens. So I'm not positive. I don't know if this is gonna mean glitter plus regular gel pens, but I also know they have super glitter gel pens. So I will let you know when we get to this one, but it says glitter plus gel pens. And then we have iridescent acrylic paints. A lot of these, they've been chosen specifically, like I said, holiday inspired pieces. So, glitter, iridescence, it's a lot of the things that we use, for holiday crafts. So that's going to be fun. So yeah, iridescent acrylic paints. It looks like it is 2 ounces each. There's 3 of them, a total of 6 ounces worth of paint. But honestly, 2 ounces, a little bit goes a long way with painting. And then we have ×3 gouache metallic tubes. I haven't tried gouache yet. It's been on my list to try, but this is going to be new too. Acrylic metallic markers. So I've tried the acrylic markers before and they're pretty good. So I don't know. I assume it'll probably be silver and gold in here. Ooh, it could be fun? Using the acrylic metallic markers on like glass Christmas, like empty glass Christmas baubles, like ornaments. That could be fun. And then ×2 3D fabric paints. Then we have ×2 metallic watercolor half pans. Now I have the metallic watercolors and they're good. They're really good. ×1 regular watercolor ×1 regular color watercolor half pans. I also love their watercolors. ×1 acrylic round paintbrush. Now it's interesting because they have had water brushes for ages, but they only recently released regular paintbrushes. So I'll be curious to try those out with you. And then ×1 watercolor water brush. So it's going to be this one. It doesn't say if it's a flat or a round one, so I guess we'll find out. ×1 acrylic marker. So let's see, acrylic matter tubes. Okay, acrylic metallic markers. So this one is ×1 acrylic marker, so a regular one, and then ×1 white gel pen. So there's gonna be a ton of stuff in here for us to try, and it's gonna be super, super fun. All right, let's take off the outside sleeve here, okay? Now, obviously, we're not going to open up each of the boxes yet. Here we go. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay, so we're going to slide this off, and look at how festive that is. It is so pretty. That is so nice. It's got this cute little bow on the side here, so let's go ahead and undo that. Okay, and let's open it up. Oh, I opened it up upside down. Hang on. All right, there we go. And look at that. How fun is that? So obviously, like a lot of advent calendars, it's not in order, so you need to hunt for it. So we've got like 1 over here, and then we've got 2, 3. Let's see, where's 4? If you could find 4, put it in the comments. There it is, 4. I was totally missing it. Okay, 5. And see, this is why when doing it live would be helpful, because you guys can help me find them. 6. And then 7. Where's 8? Let's see. There's 9. Where is it? Oh, 8. Okay, 8's up here. Then 9. Then 10. Let's see. 11. 12. 13. Where's 14? It's just a puzzle in itself trying to find the right numbers. There's 14. Oh, 14. 14. It's over here. 15. 15 is... See, those of you that are here, like, are watching it, are going to see it, and they're going to be screaming, like, where is it? It's right there. Why can't you see it? That's 23. Oh, 15. See? You probably were screaming. It's right there. 15 and 16 and 17, 18, 19. 19, here we go. 19 is over here. 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So yeah, all 24, but it's so pretty and sparkly and festive. Now my camera won't be able to show you all of it, but it's super sturdy on the bottom, so you can set it up if you are wanting to, you know, display it in your office or in your studio or your coloring corner, wherever else you want to. But it is so pretty, and the box is so nice. I feel like I'm not gonna wanna, I wonder if I could repurpose the box when we're done, because it's like a nice box. It's nice and sturdy. Like, you can reutilize it. Oh, for those of you that junk journal, okay, hear me out. When you're done with it, because I mean, it's like a big old book, right? When you're done with it, what if, now I don't know what it looks like on the inside, but after you've gotten everything out, what if you were like able to use an X-Acto knife to like cut out the inside part and then like turn this into like a big old junk journal? Oh my gosh. Okay, see, my crafty mind is flowing. I'm like, all right, how can I repurpose this so I don't have to get rid of it? But there you go. That is a little preview of the Holiday 2021 Advent Calendar from Arteza. I'm so excited to do it, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. There will be more videos to come for this. But if you've been interested in it, now is the time to get it, because like I said, last year they sold out like that. I have a 10% off coupon code that is good until October 28th. So check out the link in the description. And if this is something you're interested in, the sooner the better. I know it's not Christmas yet. I mean, it's, you know, but you can always hold on till December, especially because they sell out so quickly. So there's your little sneak peek of what's inside. If you do decide to get it, let me know, and let me know what crafts you do with each date. All right, everyone. If you get these, enjoy them. If not, enjoy yourself anyway. And I'll see you all next time. Okay? Bye.